Okay, so we all know it. AI is moving at lightning speed. So how do you make sure your own skills don't just survive, but actually thrive in this new world? Well, in this explainer, we're going to break down the strategy to really future-proof your career. And here's a hint, it's not about competing with AI, it's about partnering with it. Right, before we jump in, just a quick heads up. This is part 14 of our 15-part series looking at a major research report from Virtualization Options LLC. It's all about building human skills for the best possible AI partnerships. Now, obviously, we're just scratching the surface here, but the full report has all the incredible details. Okay, let's get into it.
So let's start with the big question, the one that's probably on your mind, right? How in the world do you stay relevant when it feels like the tech landscape shifts under your feet every single day? You finally master one tool, and boom, a new one pops up that's supposedly 10 times better. It can feel like you're in a race you just can't win.
And that feeling, well, that brings us right to the core challenge we're all facing. It's this constant, non-stop evolution of AI. It's not a phase, it's just the new reality we have to navigate. The source material really hits the nail on the head here. The only thing we can be absolutely sure of when it comes to AI is that it's going to keep changing, and it's going to keep changing fast. So trying to learn every single new platform or every specific tool, that's just not a strategy that's built to last. It's a recipe for burnout.
And this really lays out the two paths you can take. On one side, you've got what we'll call the losing strategy. This is where you're frantically chasing after specific tools, which, let's be honest, is exhausting and just leads to your skills becoming outdated really quickly. But then there's the other side, the winning strategy. And that's about focusing on something way more durable.
And that durable advantage? Well, it comes from making a strategic pivot, a shift in focus to what the report calls meta skills. This is the real game changer. It's not about trying to learn faster, it's about learning in a whole new way.
So what in the world are meta skills? The best way to think about them is like your personal operating system. They're these fundamental, high-level abilities that let you adapt and learn and succeed no matter what new shiny tech comes along. These skills don't have an expiration date. They are your long-term advantage.
And this right here, this is your future-proof toolkit. Things like learning agility, creativity, complex problem solving, these are what really matter. Why? Because they're uniquely human. AI is absolutely brilliant at crunching data, but it can't replicate genuine creativity or adaptive leadership. This is where you bring incredible value to the table.
Okay, so let's dig in a little deeper on a couple of these. What does it actually look like to lean into the capabilities that AI just can't touch?
First on the list is learning agility. In a world that's always changing, your ability to learn, unlearn, and then relearn, that's arguably the single most valuable skill you can have.
And learning agility is so much more than just signing up for a new course. It's a whole mindset. It's about being deeply curious, being willing to experiment without knowing the outcome, and actually getting comfortable with not having all the answers. It means you see every single experience, the wins and the failures, as a golden opportunity to learn and grow.
All right, next up, creativity. As AI handles more and more of the routine, analytical work, our human ability to be creative, it doesn't just get more important, it becomes our absolute key advantage. And when we say creativity, we're not just talking about painting or writing music. We're talking about generating brand new solutions to tough problems, connecting dots that nobody else sees, and imagining what's possible way beyond the data you have in front of you. AI is fantastic at analyzing the past, but it's human creativity that truly dreams up a different future.
Okay, this all sounds great, but how do you actually do it? How do you build these skills in a practical way? Well, the research points to some really clear pathways you can start on, like today.
It really is a continuous journey that you can weave right into your day-to-day professional life. Sure, you can take formal courses, but don't sleep on the power of online platforms for skills that are fresh and relevant. Get involved in professional communities to learn from what other people are trying. And maybe most importantly, be intentional about practicing with AI tools in your actual job and reflecting on what works.
Now, when you start combining all these skills and pathways, something really cool happens. You start to shift into a brand new professional identity. You're not trying to compete with AI anymore. Instead, you're becoming an expert at collaborating with it. You're becoming an integration master.
The most valuable, and frankly, the most secure jobs of the future won't be purely technical and they won't be purely human-centric. They're going to be hybrid.
They'll demand people who are fluent enough to work side by side with AI, but who also bring that irreplaceable human judgment, that creativity, that empathy to the work.
So, if there is one single equation you take away from this for your career strategy, let it be this one. Your technical fluency plus your uniquely human judgment, that is what equals a powerful, sustainable, and truly adaptive advantage for whatever comes next.
So, really, it all boils down to this. The question isn't if you're going to work with AI. I mean, that ship has sailed. The real question is, how effectively are you going to do it? And that all starts with building these durable, human skills that will always be in demand.